just wanted to switch that shit up. Shit was getting boring as fuck. You know, we can continue doing the calm downs, we can continue doing the sound gazelles and charm. But we all know what.
And welcome back to iFat. This is Rema, the para boy, the guy that sang Calm Down, Charm, and Soundgasm, to mention but few. Rema is here and he's telling people how he intends to take Afrobeat to the next level. He compares Afrobeat now to that of 2015, and then the whole new Afrobeat thing, the sound, the new pattern, the culture has evolve a lot. I mean, everyone can say that the culture has really evolved, and I must say Rema has contributed big time to the development of Afrobeat in Africa. So these are one of the persons that really put Afrobeat on the map and make people recognize the sound, the culture, you know, make people understand the African music generally. So Rema is here, and before he had this massive show, he was talking, you know, word for word on how he is going to help or join the team, his teammates, I mean the other musician, to take Afrobeat to the next level. This is people who really support what they do, who really understands what they do, who also stand for what they do, right? Unlike most of our other celebrities that would say, "Y'all don't even matter to me. All I want to do is make music. I don't care if you listen. I don't care if my neighbors listen to my music. At least I have people outside who appreciate my music." I'm talking about the likes of Wizkid, Burna boy. So these people are now internationally known, and they come to like realize that, oh, I'm not doing Afrobeat alone, I'm doing other genre of music. But Rema is here telling you that, oh, you know what, Afrobeat is what I do, and yes, I stick to it. Afrobeat make me big, and yes, this is what I'm going to be like. So before I let you watch the rest of the video, I'd like you to please hit that subscribe button if you are not subscribed to the channel already, and please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out in any of my future videos. Also turn the bell notification icon on, and yes, that's it.
Afrobeat was like 2010, 2015. We gotta take our shit back and we gotta own it.
Come on, man! That's what we're talking about.
We have to own it. We have to protect it. You know, I was speaking at the interview today and I was like, the stuff that we get this shit for international pleasure and understanding, the stuff that we make it and we water it down for them to be able to create it. Yeah, all love to the international labels and all, but we know that they're top dogs in the industry. They're coming in, right? It's good, they will applaud you, and we're watching it down, and they keep applauding until some people are going to win an Afrobeat award. You will not say, we don't indirectly sell ourselves, you know what I'm saying? So we gotta own it, because low-key, the complicated shit, you gotta see the people out here or the people in diaspora creating things like Ozeba, they don't fit now. But I don't want to talk too much shit about that. As we water them down, it will be very easy. Then the songwriters will enter, they will start to help us cook waiting, we help them water down for them to understand. The beats are getting simpler too, so the producers in diaspora, they can make it easily, soft beats. But when they gonna make this beat now? Oh yeah, play the next one. This real shit is a movement.